What is going on, guys? Yash here, back again with another video for you guys. Hopefully you guys' weeks are going absolutely blessed, and hopefully you guys are smashing Q4. If you guys have an online store, have an e-commerce store, and you guys are, going through some roadblocks or some hindrances or issues or have questions and concerns, whatever it may be, and if you guys need some guidance, if you guys want me to really overlook some things with you guys, really pinpoint your weaknesses and your pain points, then click the link in the description below so we can hop on a one-on-one call. And yes, I will leave the link in the description down below so you guys can schedule that. Today, what we're going to be talking about are the best apps to have on your guys' Shopify store, right? A lot of you guys are confused. A lot of you guys have too less apps. A lot of you guys have too many apps, okay? Most of you guys fall into that latter group, having too many apps on your Shopify stores, okay? The more apps you guys have, the slower your store obviously is, okay? The slower the processing and responsive time gets on your Shopify store. So obviously, if you guys have certain apps that are not listed here that you guys absolutely need or are unique to your guys' stores, then, by all means, keep them, have them. But these are some of the apps. Let's see, how many do we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the apps that are absolutely helpful, regardless of what kind of store you guys have. So definitely look into these and see how they can really benefit your stores and bring you guys more sales and even streamline your guys' process. So to dive right into it, guys, for those of you guys using AliExpress or some other supplier from China, tracking is very important. Okay, as a customer myself on any online store, whenever I shop online, it's important that I have a tracking number so I can go ahead and track my order and see where it is. Okay, so for that I use AfterShip, Track, and Notify. These are all on the Shopify App Store. They're absolutely amazing. They're very succinct to integrate. They support DHL global shipping and other packages as well, right? So in terms of pricing, it's free to install, and then they have about a $10 a month, $30 a month, and $100 a month plan, depending on how many orders you guys are getting, and plus and minus some features that it comes with it. So I definitely recommend having AfterShip, Track, and Notify. Now, if you guys are marketing to other countries in the US, the currency might be different. If you're marketing to the UK, it might be in quids or in pounds. Okay, so for that, I like to use the Best Currency Converter. Really, really good app. They do have a free plan available, but the only difference between the free plan and the paid plan is for the free plan, you guys have to or the customer has to manually change which currency he or she is in. In terms of the paid plan, it basically does it for you based on IP address and or location. Okay, so really, really good app, works great, no glitches. Even if you guys do go for the paid plan, it's only $10 a month, and it's definitely worth it. Okay, you guys don't want your customers confused. You want to ease and streamline the process for them as much as possible. Okay, so definitely, guys, check out the Best Currency app, one of my favorites. The good thing about it is, again, it has no bugs or glitches or anything like that. As far as I've used it for all of my stores. Reviews, guys. Reviews are super, super important. I don't use Ali reviews. I used to before when I used to use AliExpress. If you guys are still using AliExpress as your guys' suppliers, Luke still works for AliExpress in particular. Again, they have different plans based on the number of reviews you guys want to import, plus and minus some features, but it's very, very clean. It's cleaner than Ali reviews and most other review apps. The good thing about it is you can customize these. You can select which ones you want, select which reviews you don't want, and you can also import a photo with the actual review as well, which makes it even more, enticing or even more confidence boosting for the actual customer. Okay, because who doesn't want a good picture with a review? Or sorry, who doesn't want a good review with the picture, right? So that's always a good thing to have. So definitely, guys, check out Luke's amazing app. Very, very clean. By the way, all these apps, guys, if you are ever confused or have some issues with them, they have a good tutorial for them, and they also have support that you can actually contact specifically for each app. Okay. Now, this is big, guys, email marketing. So a lot of people, including myself, used to use MailChimp, but now Shopify and MailChimp aren't really integrated slash partner up together. So Klaviyo is absolutely great, not only for email marketing campaigns, right, to send out monthly or weekly marketing campaigns, which you guys should definitely be utilizing if you guys have at least 100 or 200 people in your email list. That's basically free money, and it also drives revisiting and lifetime customers, right? So definitely, guys, look into email marketing, but Klaviyo, you can also customize other email segments such as abandoned cart email sequences, which I definitely recommend having abandoned cart email sequences. I usually like to have one at 2 hours, 10 hours, and 24 hours. Right now, if you guys are completely new and don't even know what an abandoned cart email sequence is, so basically, let's say I add something to my cart on your website, and then for some reason the phone rings or I have to go eat dinner, and I don't end up converting, I don't end up purchasing. Abandoned cart email sequence remind the person like, hey, by the way, we saw that you added this to your cart, but here's an email reminding you, right? And usually I like to give like some kind of incentive, like 10% or $5 off in the second or third email. So you guys should definitely look into Klaviyo. Very effective. Because we're talking about email marketing and stuff, one app I forgot to include is actually SMS Bump. A lot of people overlook text message marketing, but it's very powerful because not a lot of people go forward with it. You can see SMS marketing has a bunch of reviews, 5 stars. Very powerful, guys. You want to absolutely squeeze as much out of your customers as much as possible. Okay, so definitely look into Klaviyo and definitely look into SMS as well. They're both forms of remarketing, okay, and sending certain sequences out. Recart is also great, guys, for Facebook marketing. Usually, they'll basically send like a discount to someone's messenger, offer like another kind of incentive or discount if they opt in in your messenger list. You can also compile that and use it the same way as email marketing and SMS marketing. They also have a bunch of features such as Facebook chat, which allows the customer to chat if they don't want to fill out the contact us form or email on your store. And also kind of builds authenticity and trust, like, oh, there's someone else behind the store to help me. So it looks kind of less spammy in a way too, right? So it's only $30 a month, super reasonable. So Recart Facebook Messenger marketing is absolutely great. Now, I know there's a lot of apps here, and this does add up, but you guys, you should realize that this is an investment into your business on the back end side. Okay, this is only going to streamline and maximize the sales and opportunity that your business is going to get. So obviously, you might not need all of these, or some of you guys may be using other variations of some of these, but these are the apps that have been working for me really well for multiple components that are really needed in your Shopify or e-commerce business to work really well and be successful at the end of the day. Bold upsell, very important to, again, upsell people. Okay, so if I were to add something to my cart, let's say this iPhone, the actual iPhone, bold upsell basically has pre-checkout upsells. Like, it basically allows customers to buy like docking chargers or screen protectors, right? Stuff that you might need relating to the central product. Okay, so bold upsell is absolutely necessary, again, to increase and maintain your AOV, average order value. Very clean. I absolutely love this app, and it has added so much more revenue to my store. Okay, so upselling, pre-checkout upselling is just as much as important as post-checkout upselling. Okay, for post-checkout upselling, I use Sweet Upsell. Okay, it's not on the Shopify store, but it's on Google. Once you download it, it'll basically integrate to your Shopify stores. What's really cool about this app is that it's $20 a month, but it actually won't charge you until someone actually utilizes the upsell, right? So until someone actually buys the upsell. So if you're getting a few upsells a month, based on how much each upsell is worth, you're basically getting your ROI and more back. Okay, so it's really cool. So Sweet Upsell is mainly used for post-checkout upsells. They also used to have pre-checkout upsells, but I think they removed that feature in the new version. So post-checkout upsells are also very important. Like, I bought this phone, great, but hey, by the way, we also have these 5 to 10 products for you discounted at 20% off. Check them out. Again, this increases your AOV. Okay, your pre-checkout upsells are basically items that correlate or relate or go hand in hand to the central product, just like I was using the analogy for the iPhone case, right? Or for the actual iPhone. So guys, sweet upsell, very, very nice, very clean, very easy to integrate. Now the last one I wanted to talk about is discounted pricing discounts. These are basically quantity breaks for people to purchase more units of more orders of that specific product. Okay, basically it looks like this. Like, hey, if you purchase 2, you'll get 5% off. If you purchase 3, you'll get 15% off, etc., etc., etc. So these are made by Booster apps. I think it's integrated with the Booster theme, but I think it can work with any theme. And also, again, really, really beneficial in increasing your AOV, average order value, right? With the inconsistencies of paid marketing, if you guys are using paid marketing for your online stores, inconsistencies will happen. That's just how online traffic is. So we want to make sure that on your back end, you have all these installed and you guys are maximizing your opportunity and also maximizing your sales as well. So again, this is something that's a investment in your business, that the return of investment will be more than well worth it, assuming that all the other components are, properly set up in your guys' stores. So guys, those are some of the apps that I use that have been working great to really maximize your opportunity and streamline your process on your guys' Shopify stores. If you guys have any questions relating to each app, you guys can always contact their support or even comment below if that's easier for you, and I'll give you my feedback or I'll answer any specific related questions regarding to each app. If you guys have already not joined my free Facebook group, join my free Facebook group. I'll have the link in the description below. Also follow me on Instagram. I'll have the link to that in the description below. Check out my last video, and if you guys have any questions, again, please leave them in the comment. Like the video. That really, really motivates me to producing more content for you guys and giving you guys more value and insight. And subscribe if you guys haven't. There's a lot of content coming, not only related to e-commerce, but also mental awareness, entrepreneurship, lifestyle, and a whole bunch of stuff. But for right now, I'm focusing more solely towards e-commerce because we are in the middle of Q4, and quarter 4 is, one of the largest quarters and largest 3 months within e-commerce. I want to give as much content relating to e-commerce as much as possible so you guys can absolutely kill it in Q4. With that being said, guys, please like the video if that give you some value. And with that being said, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.